One thing I'll say about Fiji, world-class turmeric powder and spices. You've got chili powder, Bombay pickle masala, cumin seeds, but the turmeric, look at the color, grown in Fiji. They also have incredible ginger. We got betel nut. We're just gonna go for a little walk through a village in Fiji and see what we can find. Hola!
I got too old.
How long you have the shop open?
Till 8 o'clock at night.
This is the yellowfin?
This yellowfin, this skipjack.
Nice. And you have the lobster? I want to see.
All of that is already finished.
I'll remember this.
Yeah. This one is mackerel.
Oh, mackerel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And some reef fish.
This is some bait.
Oh, bait.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice shop.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Bonito.
you see, yellowfin,
Wow,
the big
yeah,
one.
big ones. Oh my God, looks good, man. If I had a grill, I would grill it. Thank you.
How's the holiday going? Good.
Good. Yeah, have a good trip. Just walk. Yeah, it's nice. This is the old Fijian sugarcane train. Doesn't run anymore, but you'd imagine all the sugar cane, which basically was the big crop of Fiji for many, many years. Imagine it running right along this railway line. The trees of Fiji. Rugby, definitely the game of choice.